Do I own my shares on Wealthsimple? Have you ever wondered if you truly own your shares on Wealthsimple? In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of share ownership on Wealthsimple and answer this burning question once and for all. Welcome to my channel. If you're like me, you're probably always looking for ways to grow your wealth. One popular investment platform is Wealthsimple. But before you dive in, it's important to understand the ins and outs of share ownership on Wealthsimple. In this video, we'll answer the following questions. What is a custodian? How does Wealthsimple hold your shares? Can you sell your shares directly? What are the risks of holding shares on Wealthsimple? How can you protect your shares? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of your rights as a shareholder on Wealthsimple. What is a custodian? Before we dive into the specifics of share ownership on Wealthsimple, it's important to understand the concept of a custodian. A custodian is a financial institution that holds assets on behalf of its clients. In the case of Wealthsimple, the custodian is National Bank of Canada. This means that when you buy shares on Wealthsimple, you don't actually own the shares physically. Instead, the shares are held by National Bank of Canada on your behalf. How does Wealthsimple hold your shares? Wealthsimple uses a brokerage called Interactive Brokers to hold your shares. Interactive Brokers is a large and well-respected brokerage firm that is regulated by the Canadian Securities Exchange. This means that your shares are held in a secure and regulated environment. Can you sell your shares directly? Yes, you can sell your shares directly through the Wealthsimple app or website. However, it's important to note that there may be some fees associated with selling your shares. What are the risks of holding shares on Wealthsimple? There are a few risks associated with holding shares on Wealthsimple. Custodial risk. As mentioned earlier, your shares are held by a custodian. This means that there is a small risk that the custodian could go bankrupt or be hacked. However, this risk is very low, as National Bank of Canada is a large and well-established financial institution. Investment risk. Investing in stocks is always risky. There is no guarantee that the value of your shares will go up. In fact, there is a chance that the value of your shares could go down. Liquidity risk. Some stocks may be illiquid, meaning that it may be difficult to sell them. This is not a major risk for most investors, but it is something to be aware of. How can you protect your shares? There are a few things you can do to protect your shares on Wealthsimple. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a variety of different stocks and sectors. Do your research. Before investing in any stock, do your research and make sure you understand the risks involved. Monitor your investments. Keep an eye on your investments and make sure that they are performing as expected. In conclusion, yes, you do own your shares on Wealthsimple. However, the shares are held by a custodian on your behalf. This means that there is a small risk that the custodian could go bankrupt or be hacked. However, this risk is very low. It's important to be aware of the risks associated with investing in stocks before you invest your money. By doing your research and diversifying your portfolio, you can help to protect your shares. If you're interested in learning more about investing on Wealthsimple, I encourage you to check out their website or sign up for a free account. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and investing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.